Very busy morning out there. Matt Serwees tracking the latest.
Yeah, I wish it was just this morning, but it's really going to be most of the day where we're dealing with some type of inclement weather. Again, we're showing visibility because the drizzle is not showing up on the radar across downtown Omaha, Council Bluffs, down toward Plattsmouth, and this is freezing drizzle. This is why bridges and overpasses are so slippery in parts of the metro, and that continues down to our south and our east. This is all freezing drizzle across parts of eastern Nebraska and western Iowa. Norfolk, that low visibility is because of snow. And that's what we're going to see later this morning. 30, 31, 32. Those are your temperatures around the viewing area. Wind chills already in the 20s. There's the light snow off to our north. Columbus, Norfolk, Stanton, Pilger, West Point. You're already seeing the light snow. Omaha, we're going to get that light snow moving in between about 8 and 9 o'clock this morning. But as you can see, a lot of this is going to stay off to our north. Roads are already slick right now. But as we go through the first half of the day, ½ inch maybe. Isolated 1-inch totals in parts of the metro, that's what's possible. So we're not expecting a ton of snow, but since the roads are slick already, this additional snow could make roads slippery even into the early afternoon. Isolated 2 to 3-inch totals possible. Norfolk, Ottawa, Denison, and Carroll. Timing it out for you. Light snow to our north right now arrives in the metro between 8 and 9 o'clock. Isolated light snow showers and getting windy through the middle of the day. Wind gusts up to 45 miles an hour through the early afternoon, and then we start to quiet down. Any snow showers end in Omaha around 3 o'clock, winding down in western Iowa by about 5. Record lows possible tomorrow morning, up to 45 in the afternoon, 54 on Thursday, and we're not done with the snow. 30 degrees with snow to our south and west on Friday, and we'll stay in the upper 30s through the weekend with more rain and possibly accumulating snow going into Sunday.